Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your contact email on WOW Online account. We will also put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get a $100 Visa reward. If you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, log in with your email and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a drop-down arrow at the top right corner of the page. Click on the drop-down arrow. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Profile. Click on Profile. Under Profile Details, you will see an option for Contact Email. Click on Contact Email. On the field provided, enter the new contact email you wish to use. After entering, click on Update. That's how you change your contact email on WOW Online account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.